Okay. Yesterday I skipped one of the important sum. I just forgot it. Is sum number 16 part 4. Very very important sum for our examination, selection, test or Madhyamik exam. This is very important. Amol and Bimol started a business. Amol invested rupees 500 for 9 months and Bimol invested some money for 6 months. If they make a profit of rupees 69 in a year and Bimol gets profit share of rupees 46, the capital of Bimol in the business is, we have to find the capital of Bimol in the business in the starting month. There are 4 options, we have to choose the correct option. So now total profit equal to 46, 69. Total profit equal to 69 and Bimol get rupees 46. So therefore Amol get 69 minus 46 equal to 23 rupees. So therefore ratio of Amol and Bimol equal to 23 is to Amol's ratio is 23 and Bimol's ratio is 46. These two numbers are divisible by 23. So therefore if we divide these two numbers by 23, we get first one is 1 and second one is 2. So therefore the ratio is 1:2. Now Amol total invested 500 into 9, 500 rupees for 9 months. Therefore total investment 500 into 9, therefore rupees 4500. Late Bimol invested rupees X for per month. So therefore total invested X into how many months? Bimol invested 6 months. So X into 6, therefore 6x rupees. So according to the problem, Amol invested total invested 4500 by Bimol invested 6x equal to the ratio is 1:2. X equal to 1500. So therefore Bimol invested rupees 1500 for per month. Therefore here we choose the correct alternative of option A. This is a true false question. One of the important short question. Ratio of capital of Raju and Asif in a business is 5:4, and if Raju gets profit share of rupees 80 of total profit, Asif will get profit share of rupees 100. So therefore given ratio of capital of Raju and Asif is 5:4. So therefore ratio of profit is rupees 80 is to rupees 100. So therefore 80 is to 100. There is 1 0 common, we can eliminate those, so therefore we get 8 is to 10. Now we can divide it by 2, so therefore we get 4 is to 5. So therefore we find the ratio of profit is 4 is to 5. But in the question is given ratio of capital of Raju and Asif is 5 is to 4. So therefore these two are not equal. So therefore we can say this is a false statement. This is sum number 17 part 1. In partnership business, the ratio of capitals of Samir, Idris and Anthony are as 1 is to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 4. If they make a profit of rupees 3700 at the end of the year, let us write by calculating profit share of Anthony. So therefore ratio is 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 4. Now when this type of ratio is given, which is a very like fraction ratios, first we have to find the LCM. So LCM of 6, 5 and 4 is 6, 5 and 4 is 60. So therefore after finding the LCM, we have to multiply it every term by the LCM. So therefore 60 into 1 by 6 is to 60 into 1 by 5 is to 60 into 1 by 4. By dividing 6 we get 10, by dividing we get 12, and by 4 we get 15. So therefore the ratio is 10 is to 12 is to 15. So this is very important because this is a fraction. First of all, any fraction type of ratio is given, we have to convert it in a whole number ratio. So therefore Anthony profit is total profit is 3700 into Anthony's profit is Anthony's share is last one Samir, Idris, Anthony. So Anthony's share is 15 by sum of the three profits, 10 plus 12 22, 22 plus 15 37. We get 100. So Anthony's profit is rupees 1500. Very important sum.